In this lesson, we will discuss mathematics of finance, exercise 5.1, question number 11. And question we have, how long does it take $1,000 to accumulate to 2,500 if simple interest is earned at 7% annually? So see, how long does it take? It means, and we have to find out. If you have $1,000 and you are going to invest at the interest rate of 7%, after how long it will accumulate Sn, which is equal to 2,500. So we have to find out this n. So formula we will write down here again. Sn is equal to P into 1 plus I into n divided by 100 into m. So here it says that 2,500 is the total value of your 1,000 investment after how long, after how many years, and I is given, which is 700, right? So if we do not know n, we cannot find out this m, so it will be like this. It is 1,000 and 1 plus, sorry, here is n as well, 7 divided by 100, we will have 0.07 n, and here we have 2,500, right? So 2,500, we will take this 1,000 to the other side of the equation, so it will divide 2,500 divided by 1,000. Here still we have 1 plus 0.07 n. So these two will cancel this. 25 divided by 10, we have 2.5, which is equal to 1.007 n. Now this is constant, we will take to the other side of the equation. It will be -1, which is equal to 0.07 n. Now it will be 1.5, subtract 2.5 minus 1, we will have 1.5, which is equal to 0.07 n. Now we want to know number of periods, n. We do not want anything with n, so what we have to do, the simple rule is just divided by whatever is in the numerator on both sides of the equation. This will cancel each other, so I will write down here this part, right? You have to continue this question. I do not have room, so n is equal to 1.5 divided by 0.07. So we will have 21.43 years. It means if we have 1,000, we are going to invest at the interest rate of 7%. After 21.43 years, it will be 2,500. So this n is 21.43. Practice this problem. If any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.